I'm Colonel Graham Warden, Medical Group Commander here, but on behalf of Colonel Richard McElhaney, the Airlift Wing Commander and the Installation Commander, I'd like to welcome you all to the event. A big mission of the Airlift Wing here is to build partnerships with the host nation and everybody else. And the band is out and about doing shows off base all the time, all around the AOR, for part of their mission. But it's a really special thing. I've been in a lot of Air Force bases, and not many bases have a band. Thanks again for coming out tonight, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Lieutenant Colonel Joseph Hanson, Commander of the United States Air Force,
and Colonel Richard McElhaney, the 374th Airlift Wing Commander.
Welcome to Sounds of the Season. Now let's enjoy some retro holiday throwbacks.
Tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Green.